You get this. This is the point that you start reasoning. You start thinking a lot of stuff on your head. How the down part of the style is going to be, the hand side of this the style and all of that. You understand? So this is um, one of the critical points that um, that are involved in concept creation. Now, from here we can see how the pictorial develop presentation of brainstorming. Now, you set up a time, you set up your time. How, when are you going to finish the thinking aspect, the brainstorming aspect? Okay, then what is the target or the goal that you set for yourself? What is the design is all about? Now, when, for instance, if you are trying to bring back the old school style to this modern time, what is the criticism that you're going to face? You start hearing people that it's taking us backward. You get, and at this point, you have all the answer to tackle the criticism. This is the help that this is the advantage of concept creation. Then, if you lead out your idea and people start tackling it, the first thing you do is to listen to them, their idea, as in what what are they? You convert this criticism to ideas that is taking us back. Instead of doing this, why can't he or she do this and all of that? You convert it to idea. Then you aim for quality, the quality of what you're going to do. These people that are already this product that is already in existence, how are you going to, you've seen their quality, how are you going to leverage on that, take advantage on that, that you have to increase your quality or your style and all of that. Did you understand? Now, you build on this idea, several ideas in your head, you categorize them or you group them one after the other. Then you stay visual. What is meant by staying visual is you have to start demonstrating them on paper. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you guys hearing me?
Yes.
All right, all right. Now you allow one conversation at a time, in the sense that don't, when people are criticizing you, don't give them don't interrupt them. Allow them to finish what they are saying. Allow them to tell you their minds, what is in their mind. Allow them to finish the criticism and all of that. By then, you have to put all of that in a record so that you know how you're going to adjust or adjust your idea, or you do away with with their idea. Then focus. Then there's what we call mind mapping. A mind mapping is a brainstorming techniques used to visualize to visually organize information. You visualize your information into a hierarchy. They feature one after one main idea as the central point of the diagram, with subtopics, branching out and connecting to support ideas. Okay, let me say mind map diagrams follow a hierarchical structure where the most important idea are the closest to the center. Okay, let me show you this. let me show you this. This is the illustration of the summary of what all the statements over there. Now, this is your mind. This place is your mind mapping. This is the center point of your idea. This is the center point of your idea. You get? Now, you begin to think. After wasting a lot of time to think, after wasting a lot of time to do one or two things and put some things together. Okay, what is actually the benefit of what I'm doing? After the planning, what is my benefit? Do you understand? Now, you you have to equally think of a collaboration. Are you going to handle this alone? This idea, are you going to handle it alone, or you're going to call in some group of persons, like-minded people that can work towards the success of this idea? Then the creativity aspect. Are you creative, or is only the idea that you have? What will add a source to this is how creative you are. To turn the straight line to L shape, to turn the L shape to square shape and all of that. That is what involved in this. Then in all of this, it's hang around innovation and how creative is your thought. Then we'll go into productivity. That is where you see the end product, the output of your idea and all of that. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, now we have a SCAMPAT in ideation techniques. This stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, also magnified and minify, put to other use. Okay, now eliminate, then you reverse the process. You can reverse the process. Okay, let's get to the next stage and see what is in what we have there. Now we have substitute. Now you replace one part of style of techniques with another that works better. You have a series of ideas running. You put them together on the you visualize it. You put them together in a particular place. Then when you start processing them or processing the idea, you can equally replace some part of ideas that cannot uh, bring your idea into success or that cannot beautify or standardize your idea. So you cut off some part and add some part and all of that. So that is what we mean by substitute. Then combine, put different techniques together to improve your target outcome. You get to improve your target outcome. So all the idea you have, you bring from different points and treat them together to form a single product. Then adapt, update your techniques approach to customers or clients' preference. You don't really, because if you embark on a project and you don't, your customers or the target user of that particular idea um, uh, does not have does not welcome your product, that means it's of no use. You have wasted your time and energy already. So what you do, you have to adapt to adapt to what they want, what they need, what is sellable. If you are going on creation of content, which content is marketable and all of that. If you are going on designing a product, a technical product, what technical product is suitable for or is sellable in a particular environment. These are the things that you need to get adapted to. Then you have to modify, change how the initial approach looks, its appearance and presentations. Do you understand? Its appearance and presentations. Then put to another use. Use a technical approach to for a purpose it was not designed for. Maybe what you did for a particular an idea A, you move them to an idea C. Why? Because to bring the aim and objective of idea C to life. So there's every tendency to put another idea to use. We have eliminate, get rid of parts that are almost useless or not value to the service or plans. That means you can eliminate a lot of ideas that is not really necessary so that it will not spoil your product. Then you reverse, destruct your approach or rethink some. You rethink some of its main pillar to boost your success. So instead of going forward without achieving anything, you can equally reverse back so that you can achieve your aim and objective in bringing up the success of your idea and that you are putting together.